Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Widi Trianti from Management Class of 24A, Wisdom number 24 41 11 50. Okay, in this video I will explain about the understanding business entities and commercial activities. Okay, enjoy watching guys. What is a business entity? A business entity is an organizational structure legally formed to conduct business. It dictates how a company operates. It's a legal application, tax structure, and the personal liability of its owner. Understanding this framework is crucial for any entrepreneur. Number 1. Legal structure defines the legal relationship between the business and its owner, customer, and the government. Number 2, liability protection determines the extent to which personal assets of owner are protected from business debts or lawsuits. And number 3, taxation impacts how the business profits are taxed, either at the entity level or passed track to owner. Types to business entities. These are two of the most common and simple form of business structure, ideal for individual or small groups starting out. It has distinct advantages and disadvantages regarding liability, control, and taxation. Number 1. Sole proprietorship definition: owned and run by one individual. Key feature: no legal distinction between the owner and the business. Pros: easy to set up, full control, direct tax reporting. Cons: unlimited personal liability, difficulty raising capital. Number 2. Partnership definition: two or more individuals share ownership. Key feature: partners share profit, losses, and management responsibility. Pros: share workload, diverse skill, easier capital generation, and sole proprietorship. Cons: joint and several liability, potential or dispute. For larger venture seeking liability protection and stakeholder growth, corporation and cooperative offer more complex but robust framework. These entities are treated as separated legal persons from the owners, providing significant benefit and responsibility. Corporation: a legal entity separate from its owner, offer limited liability, is of capital raising through stock issue and perpetual existence. Cooperative: owned and controlled by its member for the mutual benefit. Focus and service readers and profit, sharing surplus earning among member. Key factor in choosing a business entity: selecting the appropriate business entity is a critical decision that impact a company's future. Several factors must be carefully weighed to ensure the cost structure aligns with the business goals, risk tolerance, and growth aspiration. Number 1. Liability: protecting personal assets from business debt and lawsuit. Number 2. Taxation: minimizing tax burden and optimizing financial flow. Number 3. Growth potential: facilitating future expansion and investment opportunities. Number 3, administrative burden. Considering the complexity of compliance and ongoing paperwork. And number 5, ownership and control, defining roles, responsibility, and decision-making processes. Slide ini menjelaskan bahwa pemilihan bentuk badan usaha merupakan keputusan penting yang memengaruhi keberlangsungan dan perkembangan bisnis di masa depan. Dalam menentukan bentuk badan usaha, pelaku usaha perlu mempertimbangkan beberapa faktor utama, seperti tingkat tanggung jawab hukum untuk melindungi aset pribadi dari utang dan tuntutan hukum, aspek perpajakan agar beban pajak dapat dikelola secara optimal, potensi pertumbuhan usaha dalam menarik investasi dan melakukan ekspansi, beban administratif yang berkaitan dengan kepatuhan dan pelaporan, serta pengaturan kepemilikan dan pengendalian dalam pengambilan keputusan bisnis. Legal implication and responsibility of different entities. Each business entity comes with a unique set of legal implication and responsibility. Understanding this distinction is paramount to ensuring compliance and mitigating potential risks for the business and its owner. From the simple proprietorship to complex corporation, the level of legal complexity and ownership liability varies significantly. Higher complexity often correlates with greater personal asset protection, but also increased administrative and regulatory obligation. Slide ini menjelaskan bahwa setiap bentuk usaha memiliki implikasi dan tanggung jawab hukum yang berbeda, sehingga pemilik usaha perlu memahami karakteristik hukumnya sebelum menentukan bentuk usaha. Pada badan usaha sederhana seperti usaha perseorangan, pemilik memiliki kendali penuh namun juga menanggung tanggung jawab hukum yang tidak terbatas, sehingga aset pribadi dapat digunakan untuk melunasi kewajiban usaha. Sebaliknya, pada badan usaha yang lebih kompleks seperti perseroan, terdapat pemisahan antara kekayaan pribadi pemilik dan kekayaan perusahaan, sehingga risiko terhadap aset pribadi lebih terlindungi. Namun, perlindungan tersebut diimbangi dengan kewajiban administratif, pelaporan, dan kepatuhan regulasi yang lebih ketat, seperti kewajiban pajak, audit, dan pelaporan hukum. Oleh karena itu, pemilihan bentuk badan usaha harus mempertimbangkan keseimbangan antara tingkat perlindungan hukum, risiko, serta beban tanggung jawab yang harus dipenuhi oleh pemilik usaha. Financial consideration, funding, taxes, and liabilities. The financial aspect of a business entity are multifaceted, encompassing how capital is raised, the tax implication of its profits, and the extent of financial risks borne by its owners. This consideration directly impact profitability and long-term sustainability. Number 1, funding opportunities. Entities like corporation can use shares, making it easier to attract investors and secure significant capital for expansion. Number 2, tax structure. Different entities are subject to various tax treatment, from pass-through taxation, proprietorship, partnership, to double taxation. Number 3, financial liabilities. Determine whether owner personal assets are at risk for business debt or protected. Bagian slide ini menjelaskan bahwa aspek keuangan merupakan faktor penting dalam menentukan bentuk badan usaha karena mencakup cara memperoleh pendanaan, perlakuan pajak atas keuntungan usaha, serta tingkat risiko keuangan yang ditanggung oleh pemilik. Beberapa badan usaha seperti perseroan memiliki peluang pendanaan yang lebih besar karena dapat menerbitkan saham sehingga lebih mudah menarik investor dan memperoleh modal untuk ekspansi. Selain itu, setiap bentuk badan usaha memiliki struktur pajak yang berbeda, mulai dari sistem pajak langsung pada usaha perseorangan dan persekutuan hingga pajak berganda pada perseroan tertentu. Aspek lain yang tidak kalah penting adalah tanggung jawab keuangan, yaitu apakah pemilik menanggung risiko utang usaha secara pribadi atau memperoleh perlindungan melalui tanggung jawab terbatas. Keseluruhan faktor keuangan ini memengaruhi tingkat keuntungan dan keberlanjutan usaha dalam jangka panjang. Operational aspect. Beyond legal and financial framework, the chosen business entity profoundly influences day-to-day operation, intermanagement structure, and the ease with which a business can scale and evolve. Strategic alignment here is key for efficiency and future success. Number 1, management style. From direct owner involvement in sole proprietorship to professional management teams in corporation, the entity type dictates government. Number 2, organizational structure. Impact decision-making processes, chain of command, and the allocation of responsibility within the business. The flexibility for growth and succession planning also varies significantly, with corporations typically offering more seamless transition and expansibility capabilities. Pada bagian slide ini menjelaskan bahwa pemilihan bentuk badan usaha tidak hanya berpengaruh pada aspek hukum dan keuangan, tetapi juga sangat menentukan operasional sehari-hari, sistem manajemen internal, serta kemampuan usaha untuk berkembang dan beradaptasi di masa depan. Bentuk badan usaha memengaruhi gaya manajemen, mulai dari keterlibatan langsung pemilik pada usaha perseorangan hingga penggunaan tim manajemen profesional pada perusahaan berbadan hukum. Selain itu, struktur operasional yang dipilih akan berdampak pada proses pengambilan keputusan, alur komando, dan pembagian tugas serta tanggung jawab dalam usaha. Perbedaan bentuk badan usaha juga memengaruhi fleksibilitas pertumbuhan dan perencanaan suksesi, di mana perseroan umumnya menawarkan proses ekspansi dan pergantian kepemilikan yang lebih mudah dan terstruktur, sehingga mendukung efisiensi dan keberhasilan usaha jangka panjang. Conclusion: the journey through business entities reveals a complex yet fascinating landscape. From the simplicity of a sole proprietorship to the intricate structure of corporation, each option offers a distinct path with unique advantages and challenges. Choosing the right business entity is not merely an administrative task. It's a foundational decision that shapes a business legal standing, financial health, and operational trajectory. A well-informed choice empowering entrepreneurs to build relation and successful ventures. Careful consideration of liability, taxation, funding needs, and growth aspiration is Paramount as expert advice to align your business structure with your long-term vision and ensure compliance every step of the way.